How AI is used in advertising to enhance customer engagement. Ads used to be annoying, loud, generic, and impossible to escape. But in 2025, that's changed. Thanks to AI, advertising has become smarter, personal, and human. It knows who to talk to, what to say, and when to say it. And the best part is that you don't need to be a big brand to use it. Every solopreneur and creator can now run AI-powered campaigns that actually connect. Here's how. From generic to personalized. AI has completely changed how ads work. Instead of sending one message to everyone, AI uses data and machine learning to tailor ads to each person's behavior and interests. Every click, comment, and purchase teaches AI what your audience loves, and it uses that data to predict what will work next. That's why ads today feel less like noise and more like conversations. And platforms like nasio make this simple. It uses AI to automate targeting, analyze audience behavior, and help creators craft content their followers actually want to see. How AI keeps people engaged. AI isn't just about finding customers, it's about keeping them interested. First, AI chatbots. They answer questions instantly, 24/7, and remember your past interactions. That builds trust and engagement over time. Second, personalized recommendations. Ever notice how Netflix or Spotify always know what you want next? AI-powered ads now work the same way, showing people products and offers that fit their unique interests. Third, smart ad targeting. AI studies your audience habits to show ads only to people most likely to convert, which means less wasted ad spend and more meaningful engagement. Creators using nasio Magic Ads, for example, can launch AI-optimized ad campaigns that automatically target the right audience and adjust as engagement data comes in. It's precision marketing without needing to touch an ad manager ever again. Emotion plus AI equals next level engagement. The future of advertising isn't just logical, it's emotional. AI now uses sentiment analysis to understand how audiences feel about your brand or content. It studies comments, reactions, and community discussions to detect emotion in real time. That means your campaigns can instantly adjust tone, visuals, or messaging to match your audience's mood. You're not just selling, you're connecting on a human level. The future. Creator-led AI-powered. AI isn't replacing creators, it's empowering them. Big ad agencies aren't the gatekeepers anymore. Now, creators can use affordable AI tools to run campaigns that are just as smart and just as targeted, and often way more authentic. Platforms like nasio are leading that shift, making AI-driven advertising simple, accessible, and community-focused for creators everywhere. AI isn't making ads colder. It's making them more human with smarter targeting and real conversations. Ads that feel like they're made for you. So if you're a creator or solopreneur, it's time to let AI do the heavy lifting while you create. I'll drop the links below to a free guide on how to use AI in advertising and a free trial of nasio so you can launch your first AI-powered campaign. And tell me in the comments, what ad would you create if AI did all the hard work? Because in 2025, great ads don't chase people, they understand them.